How to protect your account on the xt.com exchange. Installation of two-factor authorization. On the main page, after authorization, you need to hover the cursor or click on your login in the upper right part of the page and select the Security Center. In the account settings, you need to find the Google Authenticator section and click Settings. Here you will see step-by-step instructions. First of all, install the Google Authentication app on your mobile phone. After opening it, click in the plus icon, select Scan QR code and scan the proposed authentication key, or enter the authentication key manually through the appropriate item in the application, selecting the key type by time. In addition, save the authentication key in a secure location. You may need it when restoring access to two-factor authorization if you lose the device on which the Google Authentication application is installed. In the application, you will have a 6-digit code that you need to insert into the Google Confirmation Code field. To get a dynamic verification code, click on Get Confirmation Code and enter it in this field. The third field, Security Code, is your second security password that you set after registration. Enter it here. Next, confirm the input. You will see a message about enabling two-factor authorization. And now, with a new authorization, as well as when withdrawing coins, obtaining passwords and changing security settings, you will need to enter an additional code from the Google Authentication application.